And away we go. What's going on? This is Dennis from Core Confidence Life Personal Development. And you are watching the Path to Meditation series for beginners. So if you want to get into meditation, but you just can't ever seem to get right with that, that's what we're here to help you with. And in this video, we're continuing to review the different forms of meditation and basics on how you do them for beginners. So by this time, we've already covered the first steps, and we've already covered the mindful meditation. And so here we are talking about affirmations and loving kindness meditation. So, which is almost the same thing. All right. So when it comes to meditation, the basics are the same for this form of meditation. As we talked about with mindful meditation, because they're similar, get yourself into a relaxed state. Find that comfortable place. As we spoke about in previous videos, you don't have to twist yourself into a pretzel. We're not doing the lotus blossom or anything like that. We're not doing anything like that. You know, you don't have to lean against the wall, whatever. You ain't gotta do that. All right. So find a place that you want to be, whether it's on your couch, sitting in your chair, maybe laying down, just don't fall asleep, right? Whatever you want to do. And the process is the same. Remember those deep breaths. Take the breath in through your nose, right? Then exhale through your mouth. Right? When you take that deep breath in, make sure it goes all the way down to your chest, to your stomach, all the way down to your midsection, to the base, also known as the root chakra. Right? Get yourself in that relaxed state. Right? Now, for the affirmations part of the meditation, when it comes to affirmations, you may have seen online all these canned affirmations. I am love. I am power. I'm important. I'm He-Man. I'm Rick James, motherfucker. Yeah, you might have seen all that online. But what I say in the people I work with and the things that we promote here at Core Confidence Life, we're all about genuine affirmations. Affirmations are things that you say to yourself to affirm who you are. And we focus on the positive. And I'm all about finding specific affirmations to meditate with, not things you find online. I am light. I am love. I am lotus. Oh, please. So what are affirmations that resonate with you, right? For me, I am strong, right? I'm thinking I'm strong. I'm resilient, right? I'm funny. I'm a good caretaker. What are qualities about you that you can use as affirmations instead of the canned ones? Now, if you really want to use I am love, I am light, you certainly can. There's nothing wrong with those things. But I'm more into having affirmations in my meditation that specifically pertain to me and my qualities and the things and the feelings I'm trying to provoke within me. So find those affirmations for yourself. And so as you inhale and exhale, you think those affirmations. Inhale and exhale and think about those affirmations, right? Allow the feeling of those words to fill your body, right? What do you feel when you think about those words? I am powerful. I am funny. All those things. What do you allow the feeling you get from those words to fill your body, right? Also, we can also inhale and exhale the moods we want to feel, because we are in control of how we feel. It may not feel like that all the time, but we're in control of how we feel. So on the inhale, just think about your inhaling calmness and exhaling stress. Deep breaths, inhaling calmness and exhaling stress. You can use that with anything. Inhale happiness, exhale sadness. Inhale love, exhale animosity. And allow that feeling of love or happiness or strength to fill your body. And feel all the hate, all the scuzziness, all the ratchetness, all the jealousy, all the enviousness to exhale your body. Okay? So that's another way that we can fill ourselves with emotions that will help move us forward. And those are affirmations. Now, extending that practice, we go into loving kindness meditation, which really has Buddhist roots. A lot of Buddhists practice loving kindness meditation. And that is taking that affirmation and emotional inhalation meditation to the next level. So far we focused on ourselves, but in loving kindness meditation, we also meditate and focus on others. Wishing goodwill, wishing love and protection and warmth for others, our friends, our family, our loved ones. So when you inhale in loving kindness meditation, you inhale with those good vibes from the other person, right? I wish love and happiness, safety and protection for my friends. You would wish love, happiness, safety and protection for your children, right? That's loving kindness. You can also use loving kindness as a way of forgiving others. Are there people that wronged you? People that did you wrong? Them scallywags, they offended you. They violated your principles. But that's okay, because while you can't change past actions, you can promote loving kindness and forgiveness within yourself by meditating on forgiving those who have wronged you. Think about that person that did you wrong, that upset you, that pushed your buttons, that triggered you, and forgive them. Forgiveness is an inside job. There is no ritual to it. There is no nothing. It's an inside job because we control how we feel. So in order to cultivate loving kindness and forgiveness for your enemies and people who have done you wrong, you meditate on it. You breathe deep down into your root chakra, into your groin, your midsection, and you exhale. All while thinking forgiving thoughts for someone who maybe you caught them on a bad day. Maybe they have a lot to learn. Maybe you may have misinterpreted something. Whatever it is, you can use loving kindness meditation as an instrument of forgiveness. All right? Review, right? Loving kindness meditation, affirmation meditation is based on mindfulness, but this time you focus your thoughts on empowering sentiments, good feelings, love for your loved ones, and forgiveness for those who've done you wrong, right? So practice loving kindness meditation. It's great for boosting your self-esteem, boosting your confidence, your sense of self-love. It's a way to send positive vibes towards those who you love. And those make a difference, by the way. That's not just silly woo-woo stuff. Everything is energy, even our thoughts. And use this practice also to cultivate forgiveness for others. And that is loving kindness meditation. That is affirmation. And that is how you start controlling how you feel, what you think, and your energy towards others. Absolutely. Right? Love is love. And the only thing that matters is love. Everything else is just noise.